So I have told you that the earth makes a complete circle on its axis and it covers 360-degree longitude in 24 hours. So I have told you that there are 360 lines of longitude on the earth, and that earth covers and sun crosses each and every longitude at different point of time in 24 hours. And wherever sun is crossing, that place will have 12 noon. So, and each line of longitude is a semicircle. But when this semicircle join another semicircle which is just opposite to it, both these semicircle makes a form of full circle, which are known as great circles. And prime meridian or the 0 degree is the greatest circle. Now let me explain you how we calculate the time according to these lines of longitude. So, as I told you that lines of longitude are also known as meridian of longitude, and meridian means noon. It means wherever the sun is crossing, that place will have 12 noon. For example, if sun is at this longitude, then all the places that lie on this longitude will have 12 noon. And I told you that earth covers 360-degree longitude in 24 hours. 360 longitude in 24 hours are covered by earth. It means what? If we divide 360 by 24, we get the answer 15. That means in 1 hour, sun is passing through 15 lines of longitude. Okay, so when we divide 360, I hope it's clear to you, when we divide 360 by 24 hours, then we get the answer 15. It means that in 1 hour, earth covers earth passes through 15 lines of longitude. Now if we further break it up, then 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, and because earth covers 15 longitude in 1 hour, so if we divide 60 by 15, we get the answer 4. That means in 4 minutes earth covers 1 line of longitude. In 4 minutes, I can say in 4 minutes earth covers sun goes from one longitude to another line of longitude. That's why if you say locally also that there is a difference in the timing in Delhi and in Najibabad. There is a difference in the timing in Bombay and Najibabad. This is because Delhi lies on different line of longitude and Najibabad lies on different line of longitude, and Bombay lies on different line of longitude. So in 1 degree longitude, there is a difference of 4 minutes. Okay, so 1 degree longitude is equal to 4 minutes, and 15 degree longitude is equal to 1 hour. That means in 1 hour, earth crosses or covers 15 lines of longitude, and in 4 minutes 1 line of longitude. So in simple words, we can say that the difference between 2 line of longitude is 4 minutes. Difference between 2 lines of longitude, if these are the 2 lines of longitude, there they have shown the gap of 15 each, 30, 45, then 60. That means all these 2 lines of longitude have a difference of how many minutes? 60 minutes. That means 1 hour, because here the difference is of 15 longitude, 15 degree longitude. 30 and 45 means there is a difference of 15 degree longitude here. And how much time earth takes to cover these 15 degree longitudes or 15 longitude? That is 1 hour. But if there is there are many more lines of longitude in between. So if there are 2 lines of longitude which are just close to 30 and 31 degree. If there is 30 degree longitude and 31 degree, what will the difference between these 2 lines? It will be 4 minutes. So difference between 2 lines of longitude, 2 close lines of longitude is 4 minutes. Now what does the difference means? Difference here when we talk in the context of longitude, then difference does not always means that we will have to subtract. What kind of difference is this? Now this difference also differ. For example, there are two cases. If this is a prime meridian, if you look at this is prime meridian, and I told you that it is located at 0 degree. 179 lines are there towards the east. 179 lines are there towards the west. And because sun rises in the east, so these places which lies on the eastern side, all these lines of longitude will have day first, and then only lines of western side will have the day. So sun will first rise in the east. It will cross all lines of you can say eastern longitude, then only it will go towards the western hemisphere. Okay, so what we do is that we have to remember one formula, and that formula is EGA-WLS. Always remember this formula, EGA-WLS. That means east gain add, west lose subtract. East gain add, west lose subtract. Now for example, this is 0 degree, this is 15 degree east, and this is 15 degree west. Now how will we calculate the time? Time is that means at 0 degree, if it is 12 noon at 0 degree, if it is 12 noon at 0 degree, now what is the difference between how much time earth takes in covering 15 lines of longitude? That is 1 hour. So if we are moving towards the east, we will add 1 hour. East gain add, EGA. If we are moving towards the east, we will add the time. If we are moving towards the west, we will subtract the time. For example, because this difference is of 15 degree longitude, that means 1 hour. So if we will move toward on the 5th, if it is 12 noon at 0 degree longitude, it will be 1 p.m. at 15 degree east longitude, and 11 a.m. at 15 degree west longitude. Here it will be 11 a.m. and here it will be here it will be 11 a.m. and here it will be 1 p.m. if it is 12 noon on 0 degree. Why is it so? As I told you, that this is because towards the east we add 4 minutes, and towards the west we subtract 4 minutes. So remember this formula, east gain add, that means we will add 4 minutes. West lose subtract, that means we will subtract 4 minutes. So we'll take the first case. If it, as I told you, if it is 12 noon at 0 degree longitude, it will be, if we take it in the minutes, okay, then it will be 12 hour 4 p.m. 12 hour and 4 minutes at 1 degree east longitude, because we have added 4 minutes, as we are talking about 1 degree east. And 1 degree east, with the 1 degree longitude, we add 4 minutes towards the east, and it will be 11 hour 56 minutes at 1 degree west longitude. Okay, because as I told you that towards the west we subtract 4 minutes, so we have subtracted 4 minutes, so it will be 11:56 at 1 degree west longitude and 12 hour 4 minutes at 1 degree east longitude. So this is the one case. Second case, if it is 12 noon at 0 degree longitude, it will be 1 p.m. as I told you here, 1 p.m. at 15 degree east longitude, and it will be 11 a.m. at 15 degree west longitude, because we will with 15 degree longitude we will add 1 hour and we will subtract 1 hour towards the west. So in minutes we can say that with 1 degree longitude we add 1 degree, we add 4 minutes towards the east, and we subtract 4 minutes towards the west. And with the difference of 15 degree lines of longitude, what we do is that we add 1 hour towards the east and we subtract 1 hour towards the west. So remember this formula: EGA, east, gain, add 4 minutes. WLS, west, lose, subtract 4 minutes. So this is about this is how we calculate the time of a place. If we remember this formula, then we can easily calculate the time of one place to another place. Now what you have to do is that you have to find out that how you can say India is located at 82.5 degree east longitude. Okay, and GMT, that is Greenwich Mean Time, it is located at 0 degree. Now India is located at 82.5 degree east. Now you calculate how much difference will be there in the timing in prime meridian, that is in London and India. This is the prime meridian of India, this is the standard meridian of India, and this is prime meridian of the world. So how will you do it is that remember the same formula, because this is east longitude, so remember EGA. We will add 4 minutes with each longitude. So you calculate how many minutes will be there for 82 degree longitudes and then calculate the time and let me know. I hope you can easily do it. You all must be knowing the difference in the time of prime meridian or GMT and IST, that is Indian Standard Time. GMT is Greenwich Mean Time, IST is Indian Standard Time, but still you should try to calculate it yourself. This is just an activity which is I'm just giving you, so you don't just Google it, don't just use your common sense, don't just use your guessing, and don't turn the pages of the book. Try to calculate it yourself. It's an interesting activity which will help you in finding the place of different timing. So do this. Now I'll continue the time zones and standard times in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care.